Hello my YouTube friend, this is Now Mechanic here, and today we are going to be showing you, not me, she's going to be showing you how to change the door lock in your house or your basement or your garage. In this situation, this lock is in our garage and she's going to show us how to do it. I was doing it, she kicked me to the curb and she said she wants to do it. So go ahead. What are we going to be using? We're going to be using the Brinks locks. It says high security and it's a key entry, ideal for exterior doors. So let's go. Show us what we got to do. First we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, and that's the only thing you're going to need.
Or you can use a drill.
Or you can use a drill, she said.
You're just making me work more.
So it's only 4 Phillips screws. 1, 2, and I believe there's 2 more over here. 2 more. 1, 2.
They were pretty loose too.
Okay.
Yeah, they were loose.
She's used to doing these things in her job.
Hold that right there.
You gotta hold this one in order to take that screw out. Once you take it out, you pull that one. You'll pull this one, you'll see it. When you pull it, you can hold it right here for you can be able to pull it. Now they're both out, and this one, what you did here, put it back in just so they can see what you did. What you have to do, go ahead, is push it out, and it comes right out. Now you're gonna take your new one. I'm gonna take this. Make sure when you push it in that this right here is in the inside. This little knob here that is in the inside, because that is gonna go right in here like that. There you go. Okay. So you're just gonna push it in. You're gonna put you could either use the old screws or the new ones. In this situation, she's gonna use the new ones. Go as tight as possible as you can. In some cases, if it's stripped, you can use a longer screw. That's what we did upstairs. Good part about this is no drilling. There you go. Now I'm going to show you something right quick. Over here, when you're about to put the new one in, you have 2 knobs here. So you have to push this in here like this, like this. In order to put the other one, you got to make sure that this part is all the way in like this. That she's going to make sure. If you notice, there's a round piece right here. No, the other way. There's a round piece. This is round, and you got to make sure that the round part goes in there. And there you go. See that? And you're gonna see, and you saw how she did that? She put that in there with the round, and these 2 pieces, take it back out. There you go. We're gonna show you from this side what she did. You have these little things here, the little holes, and that's for these right here. You're gonna make sure this round piece goes in there, and these 2 metal pieces go right in through there. Go ahead, Shana. There you go. She put it in. Let me just show you on the other side. You see the round pieces? Right there, and this like this. These round pieces right here is for the screws. We're gonna show you, and it goes right through these little holes right here. You can make sure, show them inside what you showed me that I didn't know how to do it. There's a little white part right there. It's like a,
It's when you lock the door to
It's what you-
turn this.
it's where you lock the door. You gotta make sure that that white piece goes in through in here. And the screws go right in through there. There you go. See that? Now she's gonna get the screws. And these are the screws right here that goes in there. Show them the other ones. These are the ones that go in there. Not the one for wood, this right here. Has to be these. And what she did was she put it into that little hole that I told you.
Hold on, it didn't go. Give me the other.
When you put it in the middle, you just gotta have somebody probably hold it over here, and you can hold it with one hand and put the screw in. Make sure it's tight over here.
Okay, that's good. Okay, it's good.
Okay, girl, do the honors. Let's see if it works. One thing you want to make sure that it works.
All right, the key turns.
Okay. All right, girl. Let's try. Let's go,
So
girl.
right now it's unlocked. Just push it in. Okay, it's locked and that's open.
There you go.
It's just hard to open because of the fresh paint.
Got it. So this is how you change the door locks in your apartment or your house or your garage door. That is that easy. You save yourself a couple of dollars. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below or contact me at nowmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nowmechanic101@yahoo.com.
I'm just sitting here. I got time.